Choose simple, straight-edge trim profiles when building on a budget to cut finish carpentry costs without sacrificing a polished look. For budget-friendly home construction, focus on square-edge casings and plain flat baseboards because they are the fastest to install and require minimal coping or complex joints. Use a bullnose-only base option where one rounded edge hides minor floor gaps and reduces sanding and painting time. Keep casing minimal at closets and utility rooms by using the same narrow profile as on main doors, so trim materials are consistent and waste is reduced. Specify medium-density fiberboard or primed finger-jointed boards for most interior trim since they come ready to paint, are affordable, and have uniform dimensions that speed up cutting and fitting. When measuring, buy whole lengths that match multiple runs to avoid offcuts and plan joint locations at door frames to minimize visible seams. For painting, apply one coat of high-adhesion primer followed by 2 thin top coats. This series reduces brush marks and allows quick touch-ups that make inexpensive trim look high-end. The 3 common mistakes are choosing ornate profiles, which increase labor and material waste, mixing too many different trim styles that raise inventory and complicate cuts, and using solid wood without accounting for movement, which leads to gaps and callbacks. If you pick ornate profiles, you will pay more for cutting and fitting, so stick to square edges to save labor. When styles are mixed, homeowners and crews get confused and orders grow, so standardize one profile for most of the house and reserve a single accent profile only where it really matters. Solid wood can warp and crack in variable humidity, so use medium-density fiberboard or primed finger-jointed boards in most areas and save solid wood for visible craft pieces if desired. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows real project examples that highlight cost-saving trim choices and installation techniques. We host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and post photos so we all learn practical ways to lower millwork costs and find work.